warm welcome to the DSA's virtual convention for 2021. Membership benefits from the DSA may be viewed in two categories, namely benefits to the DSA member companies who are reputable direct selling companies and the DSA member companies direct sellers who are also referred to as independent distributors, consultants, business owners or network owners amongst others. The DSA strives for an environment which is conducive to the businesses of its member companies, which in turn is conducive to the businesses of direct sellers. With DSA member companies and their direct sellers endeavoring to comply with the DSA's strict code of ethics, together we make an industry that is widely regarded as credible. Potential customers and potential direct sellers are now asking in advance if a direct selling company is a member of the DSA with complete confidence that the DSA member companies are both legitimate and credible. Once a company has gone through our stringent vetting process and is compliant with our code of ethics and has been granted full membership status, we take great pleasure in advertising to the world that that company is a member of the DSA. We do this by ensuring that the company's name, contact details, products or services, and the company's logo all appear in the member section of our website. We also add a link to the company's website, which encourages recruitment of new direct sellers to the company and new customers of the company's product or services. DSA companies with full membership status may display the DSA's logo on their websites, printed marketing materials, advertisements, business cards, and a range of other items which all add to the credibility and legitimacy of the member company. The DSA has embarked on a robust PR program promoting the DSA and its member companies, ensuring that the public, government, and business communities are all aware of the credibility of our member companies, as well as establishing a clear differentiation between all of member companies of the DSA who are credible and legitimate businesses, and pyramid schemes and other less legitimate companies and schemes. DSA member companies are kept updated with legislation changes, and where required, workshops are held by the DSA to support their updates. On a totally confidential basis, industry statistics are collected locally through an annual questionnaire which assists tremendously in positioning the direct selling industry to various stakeholders, in lobbying and discussions with government, in interactions with media, in brainstorming with academia, as well as serving as direction to the DSA for its strategy and decision-making process. The information collected by the DSA locally also contributes towards global industry statistics, which provides the DSA member companies locally with a good idea of the global direct selling landscape. The DSA's office is of course always available to guide our member companies in the various aspects of their businesses. The DSA has been running a work-integrated learning academic program together with the University of Johannesburg since 2002. DSA full member companies are invited to apply to participate in this program, which has received global recognition and awards. To ensure full understanding of its code of ethics, the DSA holds code of ethics training workshops periodically with representatives of its member companies whenever amendments are made to the DSA's Code of Ethics. The DSA and its member companies share extensively at DSA general meetings. These meetings also further serve to provide a networking forum for our members to interact with each other. These are just some of the benefits of a DSA membership. For an extensive list of DSA membership benefits, I invite you to visit our website at dsasa.co.za. Thank you.